to my channel. If you are a new subscriber or a new viewer, thank you so much for watching my page. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment any ideas or any reviews that you would like to see me do. So in my Instagram, well, on my Instagram, I did this quick, it wasn't even quick, I did this makeup look on my Instagram page in a short video. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this fun look, you need something to do while you're quarantined, go check that out on my page at @1_and_only. But this video is not even about this look, okay? This video is to get rid of this look and to make sure that your skin is maintained. I'm gonna show you guys the step-by-step routine that I do to take care of my skin. Now, just a disclaimer, I don't wear makeup every day. Your girl ain't got the time, okay? I don't wear makeup every day. But when I do, this is what I do to keep my skin together. So if you're interested in knowing those steps, then keep watching. So as you can see, I already changed my shirt. I took some jewelry off as well. And now I'm going to go ahead and tie my hair back. So I'm back. I got my little stuff set up and everything like that. The first thing we have to do, of course, is take all of this off. You can't sanitize without removing debris. So this is like the debris part, you know, getting rid of this stuff right now. So what I'm going to use, because my face can be very sensitive at times, I'm going to use the Simple Kind to Skin cleansing wipes, and I'm also going to use the Clinique Take the Day Off oil. I just put a little bit sometimes on here, or sometimes I'll just put it in my hands like I'm going to do today, and then rub it over my face to kind of loosen up the foundation. So I'm back. As you can see, I pretty much removed all of the makeup that I had on my face. There are some little spots that still have like a little bit of pigment or glitter, something like that, but for the most part, everything is removed, including off of my neck, which is important. Some of y'all be missing that neck. Even if you don't wear makeup on your neck, wash your neck. The next thing that I'm going to do is another cleanse, and this is just the basic Noxzema, the classic clean deep cleansing cream. It don't get no easier than this. I think this was probably like between $5 or $7. I also use the Tatcha Deep Cleanse, and I like this one because it takes away that extra step that I might need to moisturize. I definitely use this while I'm in the shower sometimes before I go to sleep. But today I'm going to use this because Tatcha be a little expensive for people's budget. That's why I got that small size too. So I'm going to use this because you get a lot for your money, and it kind of does the same thing, except you will have to just make sure you add a moisturizer after the fact and a serum. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on my face. And I'm using a clean makeup brush to do it because I'm just extra like that right now. Alright, so I just rinsed off that deep cleanse cream, and now I'm going to do a mask. Now, I used to buy masks from the store like Sephora or Ulta or something like that, but none of the stuff that I used to buy will work on my skin. Like, I would have breakouts, or it would just be too drying, or just too much. It was too much, pretty much. So what I did was make my own mask at home, and not really many ingredients at all, but I use oatmeal and honey in it, and I'm just going to take this makeup brush that I just cleaned off, and I'm going to apply that to my skin and let that sit for probably, I normally do like 10 to 15 minutes, so I'm going to just let it sit and dry until it dries. Okay, so I'm back. It's been 15 minutes to me, so it's already starting to feel a little sticky, and I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off and move forward to my toner. So this is the toner that I use. It's the Thayer's Natural Remedies, and this is cucumber, alcohol-free witch hazel toner. Now I just started using this, so I don't really have an opinion about it just yet. It does feel okay on my skin, but as far as it being like a staple item in my kit, I don't know. I don't know if I will put this in a staple item routine just yet. So I am gonna go ahead and continue to try this, and then I'll come back in another video to let you guys know if this is like really worth it. Next, I'm going to take my bareMinerals Skin Longevity Serum, and I'm going to apply 2 pumps into my fingertips. This is after my toner has dried, and I'm just going to pat that all over my face. So that is pretty much it. Now, like I said before, I do not do all of these steps every single day. A lot of times I'll skip the mask and I'll skip the serum and just focus on the deep cleanse, the toner, and the moisturizer, especially when I'm just getting out the shower. Those are things that I do before I go to sleep to keep my skin hydrated throughout the night. And then in the morning, I'll do just a moisturizer after I wash my face and jet out the door. Like I said, I'm an everyday person. I don't really have time to be sitting waiting for a mask to dry. For anybody who's wondering what type of mask I use for my face, I will leave the ingredients in the description bar as well. However, you can do or use whatever mask that works for you. You don't have to use the same stuff that I use. I just have sensitive skin. I didn't find a product that works for me just yet. Make sure that you hit the notification bell and you're subscribed, because I do have another Instagram boutique review coming up, and I don't want y'all to miss that, because y'all just make sure y'all hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.